Supplemental math videos from Circle Christian School. Sum and difference of two cubes. Look for the cube. Sometimes the difference or the sum of two cubes can be hidden by a common monomial factor. Make sure you always factor completely. Okay, the sum and difference of two cubes is fairly recognizable by the fact that you always have some sort of cube root sitting up front and a cube root behind. The plus and minus just means that you're going to have a variance in signs here. The first one where we have a difference, the sum of two cubes, just remember that it's a double bubble also, but it's a little bubble, big bubble. So the first thing we're going to do is find the cube root of both of the terms here. So cube root would be a u and a cube root would be a v. And then what we're going to do is take this guy over here, and he's going to end up being squared. And we're going to take the last guy and put him over here, and he's going to end up being squared. And then we take both of these guys, put them together, and throw them right into the middle here, whatever they are. And the way the signs go is that on the first one here, since it says plus, this is going to be a plus, and then it's going to be minus plus. Got to have a minus sign hanging around in there somewhere. All right, same thing happens when we have the difference of two cubes. You always see if you got a perfect cube root up front and back. And like before, we just get that cube root and the cube root, and they will go up front. Same thing, we're going to square the first guy. We square the last guy, put him at the end. And then we take these two guys right here and throw them right into the middle. So that's going to be u and v. And the signs here, because this is a minus sign, he's going to have a minus sign. And then we just go plus plus. There's only one minus sign that happens in this little bubble, big bubble thing. So let's take a look at our equation here. Y cubed minus 125. Okay, first off, I'm seeing that it's a little bit different than any of the others that we've done. So I check to see if I have a perfect cube root and a perfect cube root, and I do. And so we're going to cube root the y and cube root the 125. Very good to know your cube roots up to 5. And then we square the first guy, square the second guy, put the two guys together, and use our signs. Let's see, this one has a minus sign, so it's going to be minus, plus, plus. Little bubble, big bubble. Bubble, bubble,